Okay, I've been working over here in the top area. A bunch of little things that are bugging me. So like this stuff over here, I got to bend way over to get that. There's no reason to do that. We've got stuff on top of each other. So we're gonna spend 5 minutes and clean it up here. So here's my improvement. So we took the lacquer thinner, it was down there, and we used our space better. We've got it all across here. When we're done now, we actually said, we don't ever even use yellow glue. Why do we even have that here? I had a previous employee that really liked that. It's there. So my next improvement actually is probably gonna be, we're just gonna get rid of it, but I'm not ready to go there yet. The little wrench that was way down there that I had to bend over for is now here. Countertop stuff, everything is right here and nice and cleaned off. We went in and we got rid of stuff. So we have 2P10 glue here if we need it, but we hardly ever use that here. So we had excess inventory. We got a brand new bottle, so we got $20 sitting there. And we got 2 other glue bottles that this is stuff that we very, very, very rarely use. The last thing of it is that we need 3. So we've got what we need here. It's nicely dialed in. We moved the impact drill. It's got a battery on it now, and it's got a tip on it so that it is ready to be used right out of the get-go. Our track saw is on the job site. When it comes back, it'll get put back in there. But now we've reduced the struggle of bending over every time we needed to get something. It's right there with minimal movement. We've reduced a whole bunch of motion, just 3S'd it and cleaned it up and made sure that it looks good. And then we've got one last final addition to complete everything off here. Nate's gonna add it to it right there. And there you have it, clean and clean.